Hi, how are you? Today we are going to draw a few bananas in a bunch. As you can see, I already put the colors in action. So let's start the drawing. First, we need to outline the basic shapes of the bananas. Alright, so this is the basic outline. Now I'm going to put the dark green color along the borders. That's how we can define that this banana is uh, almost ripe. This banana it's half green and half ripe. Usually these types just tastes very good. You can see from my shading. When you draw this thing, just put the green colors at the border. So this is going to be a variations of the shadings and the change of the colors or the transformation from the green to the red to the yellow. Yeah, because you know the ripe mango, this is yellow in color, so we're going to put the yellow color later. All right, this is the yellow color I'm just putting right now. That's why this banana, you know, this is just ripe half and half. there's going to be a border for the racks and the shapes of the banana. The variations and the details you can see. This is wonderful. All right, we can put some ground in the drawings just to make the picture a nice one. Okay, so this is different type. Thanks for watching. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe the channel if you like it. Have a good day.